leave of absence from the Legislative Council meeting that is going on to say a few words of appreciation here. I'm very glad that the Muslim World League has chosen Hong Kong to host this conference, International Conference on Dialogue and Peaceful Coexistence. We are a diversified community here in which different cultures, religions, and ethnicities have been in peaceful coexistence for a long time. I believe no one understands the importance of dialogue and peaceful coexistence than we do. For we are firmly committed to the belief that conflicts, including conflicts that may arise between different cultures and religions, can be and should be resolved by promoting mutual understanding, appreciation, and respect, which can only be achieved by talking and listening to each other. I therefore believe that Hong Kong is a very appropriate venue for a conference like this, a conference on dialogue and peaceful coexistence, to be convened. The terrorist attacks that happened in France recently reminded us of the fragility of our peaceful coexistence and the tragedies that can be caused by hostility between different religions and cultures. I appreciate very much the continued efforts of the Muslim World League in advocating dialogue and promoting peaceful coexistence. I'm thankful to the incorporated trustees of the Islamic Community Fund in Hong Kong for the good work they have been doing, especially for organizing this conference in Hong Kong. And I'd like to extend a very warm welcome to His Excellency, Dr. Al-Tuki, and all our distinguished friends, guests, coming from other parts of the world. I'm sure that this conference will be a great success. Thank you.